फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से इस पैटर्न को प्रिंट किया जाता है कि पहले एक स्टार आए, फिर 3 स्टार, फिर ऐसे स्टार जो है वो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में बढ़ते चले जाएं। तो सबसे पहले हम अपने वेरिएबल्स को डिक्लेयर करेंगे। यहाँ पर हम कुछ वेरिएबल लेंगे, रो स्पेस कॉलम एन। एन होगा कि कितने लाइंस हमें चाहिए, कितनी रोज हमें चाहिए हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम रोज को इनपुट करेंगे कि कितनी रो हमें चाहिए हैं। एंटर द नंबर ऑफ rows. Now scan it with the help of scanf percent d comma m percent n. We are storing this value in n. Then we have a for loop, and this for loop will be for row. Row will be equal to 1, row less than equal to n, row plus plus, and then in this we will have another loop for space. This loop will print space. Space for space will be equal to 1, space less than equal to n minus row, then space plus plus, then we will print a blank space because we have to give a blank space. Therefore we print a blank here, and then we will have another loop for column. Column will be equal to 1, column less than equal to 2 into row minus 1. This is some sort of formula to calculate it. Column plus plus, and then we will print the star. And after that we will have slash n for new line. And then we will close this for loop. Then we will write get ch, and then there will be a bracket. This main bracket will be closed. So now I will run this program. Enter the number of rows. Suppose the number of rows is 4. Okay, it's working. So how this program is executed, let's understand it. So this loop will execute and the value of row will be 1, and then we will check this condition if row is less than equal to n. Now in the first condition the row is less than equal to n because the value of row is 1 and the value of n is 4. So 1 is less than 4. So we will move to this for loop. In this for loop a space will be printed, and the first time if you will see here you need 3 spaces, 1 space, 2 space and 3 space. You need 3 spaces. So with the help of this for loop we will be able to print 3 spaces. Why? Because this for loop will execute n minus row times. So the value of n is 4 minus row, the value of row is 1. So 4 minus 1, which is 3. It will print space 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we will move to the next for loop. So this for loop is for column to print star. So column will be equal to 1, and this for loop will execute only one time because 2 into row, the value of row is 1, so it will be 2 into 1 minus 1, and it comes out to be 1. So
The first time this for loop will execute only one time and it will print a star. After that we have to move to the next line. Therefore we have included slash n, and then the value of row will get incremented and it will be 2. And for this 2 a space will be printed. It will be n minus row 4 minus 2. So 2 space will be printed. 1 space, 2 space. And then some star will be printed, and that number is 2 into row minus 1. So the value of row in this case is 2. 2 into 2 minus 1, that means 3. So 3 star will be printed. First star, second star, 3 star. And then we will move to the next row. So in this way this program will execute.